Hello guys, it's me here again and I hope you are doing awesome. So this video is an introductory one of the next series. Yay. I know how you guys love series on my channel, so I'm coming up with one, and this time around, right, it's not about what a customer service personnel should do. We are going to be looking at how it feels to be on the other side. Do we give an absolute great treatment to customer service personnel or service providers? What is that relationship between customers and customer service personnel? Do we treat them with respect? Do we treat them with some patience? Do we look down on them? Do we, abuse them with our words? I mean, how does it feel? Personally, I've had experiences about how traumatic it has been for me sometimes, and how you need to be emotionally intelligent and at the same time trying to be emotionally stable when dealing with customers. And some of the experiences have not been pleasant at all. And so in my next series, we will be discussing how customer service personnel expect or would wish that they would always want to have a great experience with their customers, in as much as the customers also would want an amazing experience with customer service personnel or service providers. So join me on this series, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel while I get my guests and we have a conversation. We look at the causes, we look at the effects, and we look at ways in which we can prevent some of these negative feedback from customer service personnel, because yes, they are human beings as well and they deserve to be treated properly. So I hope to see you on this journey with me on my next series, and let's learn a few things. If you have any ideas, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on this next series. I'm so happy and I'm excited about this, because for once, we are not going to be bashing customer service people, but we are also going to pour out our hearts and say or express how we want customers to treat us sometimes. Yeah. So whether you are in marketing, you are in customer service, you are in, any department of an organization, share with me about how you want customers to treat you. Yeah, so I look forward to seeing you. Keep being awesome and see you in the next series. Bye bye.